Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Azhar Ibrahim bin Abdul Yatim. My number metric is DD20077. So today, I from group 1, section 1. So today I will explain about introduction for our project. In today's competitive global market, businesses are constantly seeking cost-effective ways to increase efficiency and productivity. Work studies and industrial engineering are two key approaches they can employ. Work studies analyze and design jobs to maximize worker output and standardize time frames. By applying these disciplines, business can enhance productivity through streamlined tasks, improve methods, and optimize work systems, gaining a competitive edge. Next is the problem statement of our project and objective. So for our problem statement is first is the waiting time for customers takes too long. Second, fast food restaurant must embrace drive-through digitalization to meet changing customer demands. Third, receiving bad feedback from the customer. For the objective, first objective is to observe the time taken or period for each section in the drive-through. Second is to calculate the standard time of the work sampling, and last is to calculate labor cost for each product. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Christopher Lee. Good. My measures number is DD180001. I'm from Group 1, Section 1. So, for literature review, KFC, also known as Kentucky Fried Chicken, in 1950, Alan Sanders founded a small eatery in Kentucky where he offered visitors with fast food area meals made from scratch. Colonel decided to franchise his company in 1952 as a result of the success of his chicken. He toured the country negotiating contracts with small restaurant operators who wanted to serve his winning chicken. The first official Kentucky Fried Chicken franchise opened in Salt Lake City, Utah in 1952. The success of this franchise model led to rapid expansion of KFC across the United States. So by 1964, there were over 600 KFC franchises in America. KFC kept growing its franchise network internationally, opening locations in nations including Mexico, Japan, Australia, and the Middle East. Yum brand, which also owned Taco Bell, Pizza Hut, became the parent company of KFC. This merger provided KFC with additional resources and opportunity for growth. In 2019, KFC opened its first ever drive-through only store in the city of Newcastle in New South Wales, Australia. The newest KFC digital offering and the first of its kind format was created as a result of customer insight and click and collect or delivery digital ordering, which becoming more and more popular in India, Australia, which placed 68 million orders annually or 7,000 orders every hour and spent $2.6 billion on food online in the past year. Waiting line model in KFC drive-thru. So the service industry utilizes the waiting queue model's unique features. These features are depending on the system's physical setup. Service systems are typically categorized according to how many channels and phases, such as the number of service stops they have. As for KFC, customers will place their order at one station, pay at another, and then pick up their food at the third.
Hello and good days, Dr. Nash and my fellow friends. Today I will brief the methodology. My name is Edrison Sagan Desmond. Methodology is a systematic approach used to develop a project by incorporating relevant studies on research. We are going to observe and analyze the work sampling of the service provided at KFC Taman University, located in Farid Raja, Johor. This is our project implementation flow diagram. And the project methodology, we have 4 phases. Phase 1, Q. The observer measures the time it took for them to start the beginning of the line and conclude the next station. For the phase 2, ordering. The observer initiated the ordering process by selecting snack plate set and conclude the observation upon reaching the subsequent station. For the phase 3, payment. The observer's timing commences as soon as they indicated the payment process for their ordered food and conclude upon the arrival at the subsequent station. For the last phase, receive the food. The observer recorded the duration of time it took for the individual to start the payment process for their ordered food and continue until they reach the following station. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and a very good evening to everyone. My name is Amir Faiz Razali and my metric number is AD110006. So now we will proceed with results and analysis. Okay, this will show the data we got from our observation at KFC at Taman University. So for sector 1, for queuing 67 seconds. To take the order, it takes 59 seconds, and waiting for pay 15 seconds. To pay, they take 35 seconds, and waiting before they receive the food 44 seconds, and receive food 39 seconds, and so on for 4 cycle 4. So okay, next by using this formula average, to calculate average time taken for each element. Cycle 1 plus cycle 2 plus cycle 3 plus cycle 4 divided by 4. And for normal time, average times rating. For standard time equal to normal time divided by 1 minus allowance. And lastly, for labor cost per product equal to total standard time times workers' wage. So this table showing the average and normal time and the standard time that I have been calculated. So the total standard time is 41.70 seconds. Workers' wage is 3.33 times 10 negative power of negative 2 RM per second. And lastly, for labor cost per product, we got RM 14 cents. That's all. Thank you.
For suggestion and discussion will be presented by me, Amir Zohairi. First of all, KFC is understaffed. It is slowing the drive-thru service, and low number of staff will affect, especially during rush hour due to lack of staff. For our suggestion, the first suggestion, we suggest that the restaurant can schedule working hours for the same amount as peak hours to improve the drive-thru service. In addition, the lack of food preparation as the number of chicken also slow down the service. The workers are therefore, in order to improve the service, employees should prepare as many ingredients as possible during peak hours and during lunch hour or dinner hour. For conclusion, it is essential to develop a user-friendly and cost-effective methodology for product manufacturing and service delivery. Industrial engineering is a contemporary method for maximizing overall productivity. Work system design is informed by extensive research. Therefore, in order to maximize service efficiency, it is imperative that employees prepare a sufficient quantity of ingredients in advance and maintain the ideal temperature for items such as fried chicken and french fries, ensuring that they are promptly available for service. That's all from me. Thank you.